Somewhere between the shadow of communist giants and the golden glow of Belle Epoque mansions, there's a city that refuses to be defined by just one era. Bucharest doesn't ask for your attention. It simply waits, quietly confident, for you to notice the layers hidden beneath its surface. Locals still call it Little Paris, and once you wander past its grand boulevards, hidden courtyards, and candlelit churches, you'll understand exactly why. This is a city of contrasts, where a palace heavier than the pyramids stands minutes away from cobblestone lanes filled with wine bars and street musicians. So if you're planning a trip to Eastern Europe and want somewhere that still feels wonderfully undiscovered, stay with us. Today, we're counting down the 7 best places you absolutely cannot miss in Bucharest, Romania. The Palace of the Parliament. There's no way to talk about Bucharest without starting here, because this building doesn't just dominate the skyline, it dominates the imagination. The Palace of the Parliament is the second largest administrative building on Earth, surpassed in size only by the Pentagon, and it was built almost entirely from Romanian materials, down to the last chandelier and the last meter of marble. Commissioned by dictator Nicolae Ceausescu in the 1980s, the palace swallowed an entire historic neighborhood of Bucharest to make room for its endless corridors and gilded halls. Walking through it today feels almost surreal. Room after room of crystal chandeliers, hand-woven carpets so large they had to be assembled inside the building, and ceilings so high they seem to disappear into the clouds. Guided tours will take you through only a fraction of its 4,000 rooms. But even that fraction is enough to leave you speechless. It's a monument to ambition, excess, and one of the strangest chapters in European history. And for that reason alone, it deserves the top spot on this list. The Old Town, Lipscani. If the Palace of the Parliament shows you Bucharest's power, the Old Town shows you its soul. Known locally as Lipscani, this maze of narrow cobblestone streets is where the city truly comes alive, especially once the sun goes down. By day, it's all about history, beautifully restored merchant houses, tiny bookshops, and the ruins of the old princely court, where Vlad the Impaler himself once resided. By night, the entire district transforms into one of the liveliest nightlife hubs in the region, with rooftop bars, underground jazz clubs, and terraces spilling out onto the streets with laughter and music. Whether you're here for history, food, or nightlife, Lipscani gives you all three, wrapped up in the most walkable and photogenic part of the entire city. The Romanian Athenaeum. Tucked just off one of Bucharest's grandest boulevards sits a building so elegant it almost feels out of place in the best possible way. The Romanian Athenaeum is widely considered the most beautiful concert hall in the country, and honestly, one of the most beautiful in all of Europe. Its neoclassical dome and circular colonnade were funded, in part, through public donations back in the 1880s, when ordinary Romanians literally gave whatever they could to see this dream built. Step inside, and you'll find a stunning fresco spiraling around the interior, depicting scenes from Romanian history in astonishing detail. If you can, try to catch a live performance from the George Enescu Philharmonic Orchestra while you're there. Hearing the music echo through that golden concert hall is an experience that stays with you long after you leave Bucharest. The Village Museum. Just a short walk from the buzz of the city center, the Village Museum offers something completely different, a peaceful escape into Romania's rural past. This open-air museum brings together more than 100 authentic wooden houses, churches, and windmills, all relocated here from villages across the country, some dating back centuries. Wandering between the wooden gates and thatched roofs, you get a genuine sense of how Romanian life looked generations ago, far from palaces and boulevards. It's especially beautiful in autumn, when the golden leaves frame the wooden structures perfectly, but really, any season brings its own quiet charm. For travelers who want to understand Romania beyond its capital city, this is one of the most authentic and moving places you can visit. Herăstrău Park. Every great city needs a place to breathe, and for Bucharest, that place is Herăstrău Park. Wrapped around a massive lake in the northern part of the city, this park is where locals come to jog, cycle, paddleboard, or simply sit on a bench with a coffee and watch the world go by. Rent a rowboat and paddle out onto the lake for one of the most peaceful views of the city skyline you'll find anywhere. Around the edges, you'll stumble upon rose gardens, open-air restaurants, and even a small Japanese garden hidden among the trees. It's the kind of place that doesn't demand much of you. No tickets, no rush, just a slower, softer side of Bucharest that's just as memorable as its grand monuments. Stavropoleos Monastery. Hidden in the middle of the bustling old town, almost swallowed by the surrounding bars and shops, sits one of the most breathtaking small churches in Romania. Stavropoleos Monastery was built in the early 1700s, and its exterior is covered in intricate stone carvings inspired by Byzantine and Ottoman artistry. A style so detailed, it almost looks embroidered rather than carved. Step through its doors and the noise of the city instantly disappears, replaced by dim candlelight, gold-covered icons, and an almost overwhelming sense of stillness. The inner courtyard, lined with ancient tombstones and a quiet garden, feels like a secret pocket of peace in the middle of one of the busiest districts in the city. It's easy to walk past without noticing it, but once you step inside, it becomes one of the most unforgettable stops on this entire list. Cișmigiu Gardens. We're ending this list with what might be the most beloved park among Bucharest locals themselves, the Cișmigiu Gardens. Dating back to the mid-1800s, this is the oldest public park in the city, designed around a peaceful central lake with weeping willows draping over the water's edge. In summer, families row wooden boats across the lake. Elderly locals play chess on stone tables beneath the trees, and couples wander along shaded paths lined with statues of Romanian poets and writers. In winter, that same lake often freezes over and becomes an open-air ice rink, drawing crowds of skaters bundled up against the cold. There's a timeless, storybook quality to Cișmigiu that captures something essential about Bucharest itself. A city that has seen war, revolution, and reinvention, yet still holds onto these small, quiet pockets of everyday beauty. And there you have it, 7 places that reveal just how much personality this city has been quietly holding on to. Bucharest isn't a destination that shouts for attention like some of its Western European neighbors. It's a city you have to sit with, wander through, and slowly fall for. From a sheer scale of the Palace of the Parliament to the quiet stillness of Stavropoleos Monastery, every stop on this list tells a different chapter of Romania's story. If you've ever thought about visiting Eastern Europe, let this be your sign. Bucharest is waiting and has far more to offer than most people ever expect. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us which of these places you'd visit first. Until next time, thanks for watching and safe travels.